As long as the dreamer is alive, the dream will never die. Because the dreamer is older than the dream. It was not the dream that has dreamt the dreamer, but it is the dreamer that has dreamt the dream. As long as the dreamer is still alive, then it's a sure case that the dream will never die. It might take weeks, it might take months, it might take a year, or even 10 years. But there is a guarantee that I wanna guarantee you with. As long as the dreamer is still alive, then the dream can never die. For it is the dreamer that is older than the dream. IPHUPHO ALIFI UMPHUPHI angafanga. Angazi yini oyiphuphile thatha isikhathi solo awuyiboni, kodwa ngivumele ngikutshela ukuthi iphupho alifi umphuphi angafanga. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi umphuphi owaphupha iphupho akulona iphupho elaphupha umphuphi. The dream never dreamed the dreamer, but it was the dreamer who dreamed the dream. Alifi iphupho umphuphi angafanga. The most powerful tool, it is not the dream per se, but it is the dreamer. If you want to fight the dream, then leave the dream and fight the dreamer. But as long as you are fighting the dream and leave the dreamer, I'm sad to say it's a waste of time. The dreamer is powerful than the dream. As long as the dreamer is still alive, then the dream can never die. It might take weeks, it might take months, it might take years. But as long as the dreamer is still alive, then the dream will never die. God delays are not God denials. As long as you are still alive, that dream can come to pass. You might have dreamed 10 years ago. You might have dreamed 20 years ago. But let me assure you today, as long as the dreamer is alive, the dream can never die. This is Pastor T from TPS TV.